We salute National Nose Job Day and the Summer Olympics in this latest edition of What's In, What's Out, What's Hot, and What's Definitely Not in the World of Plastic Surgery. Be sure to stay tuned in to hear our special July offer just for you. July 30th is National Nose Job Day, and Dr. Jon Mendelsohn wants your nose in his business.
Dr. Mendelsohn has worked on more than 2,000 noses, and rhinoplasties are one of his specialties. He performs them right here in our AAAHC accredited surgery center while the patient is sedated. The well-hidden incisions are made inside the nostrils and occasionally across the lower midsection of the nose, and no packing is required. A splint is applied over the nose for about a week to hold the tissues in place and decrease swelling. And yes, you might recognize this patient in the video as me!
And can you guess what country has the highest rate of nose surgery in the world? That would be Iran, where as many as 200,000 Iranians, mostly women, go to plastic surgeons each year for nose jobs.
And although the U.S. has roughly 18 million cosmetic procedures performed every year, the new plastic surgery capital of the world is China, where an estimated 22 million people a year undergo plastic surgery.
However, in Guangzhou, China, an actress recently suffered a failed plastic surgery where the doctor actually gave her a necrotic nose. As you can see, the entire tip has rotted away. She later found out that neither the so-called plastic surgery hospital nor physician were licensed to perform rhinoplasties. The hospital was fined about $7,500 US, and the actress has apparently reached a financial compromise. Wonder what kind of role she'll be cast in now.
And a 25-year-old woman in Moscow nearly died from a botched nose job that pierced her skull and put her in a coma thanks to an unlicensed doctor in a private clinic. She suffered extensive bleeding and swelling over her entire body and respiratory failure. The doctor has been jailed for 22 months and banned from practicing medicine for 2 years. The victim was compensated the equivalent of 5,500 euros. The most recent photo shows a permanent scarring on her neck and her still deformed nose.
Now let's take a stroll over to La La Land to see some celebs who also did not choose the right plastic surgeon to alter their noses. Dirty Dancing actress Jennifer Grey regrets having her nose job in 1989, calling it the nose job from hell, saying that it virtually ruined her acting career.
Actress Melanie Griffith has received a lot of backlash on social media about her nose, which now seems to be flattened halfway across her face.
LaToya Jackson's nose certainly looked better before her nose job, but it's nowhere near as bad as her big bro Michael's, R.I.P. Michael, who is rumored to have had 6 rhinoplasties. It seriously looks like he had little to no cartilage left in his nose, which is about ready to collapse.
And we would be remiss in closing if we didn't salute our talented athletes who are demonstrating their peak performances and outstanding bodies at this year's Summer Olympics in Tokyo. And the U.S. women's beach volleyball teams are always a huge hit. Just take a look at their rock-hard abs and amazing muscle tone.
Even if you are not an Olympic athlete, you can look like one with new MSculpt Neo. It requires just 3 30-minute treatments spaced 5 to 10 days apart with no downtime. It's not too late to get those nicely defined abs, buttocks, calves, and arms for bathing suit season.
And if those pesky cellulite dimples are what ails you, you can save 10% during the month of July on this new injectable treatment that diminishes the appearance of cellulite on the buttocks and thighs.
That's it for this latest edition of What's In, What's Out, What's Hot, and What's Not. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and download our Follow Your Beauty AR app from the App Store. To schedule an appointment, call 351-FACE or visit 351face.com. Cheers!